Hello, everyone. Welcome to our first lesson. Most students learn to say, I am fine, thank you. It is grammatically correct, but a bit robotic. If a friend asks how you are, try something else. You can say, I am doing well. Another great option is not bad, thanks. This sounds much more relaxed and friendly. What if you are tired? Simply say, I have been better. Do not forget to ask the person back. Use the short phrase, how about you? Or just ask and yourself. Let us practice the flow together. Hi, Anna. How is it going? Pretty good. Thanks for asking. It feels much more like a real conversation. Native speakers love these short, simple variations. Fine sometimes sounds like you're bored. I am great shows a lot of energy. Try to match your tone to your mood. Language is about emotion, not just words. Think about your last conversation in English. Did you sound like a textbook? It is okay to start with basics. Small changes make a big difference. Listen to how people reply in movies. They rarely use the standard school phrases. Pick one new greeting today. Use it next time you meet someone. English speakers love to shorten their words. You probably know the phrase, I am going to. In daily life, it often becomes, I'm gonna. Listen to the difference in speed. I am going to eat sounds very formal. I'm gonna eat sounds like a local. Use this when you talk about your plans. I'm gonna watch a movie tonight. I'm gonna call my mother later. Notice that we do not say to after gonna. The word to is already inside the contraction. This is common in American and British English. It helps you keep a steady rhythm. English is a stress-timed language. We slide over the small, unimportant words. Gonna helps you move faster to the main verb. Try saying it out loud right here. I'm gonna go to the gym. Do you hear how smooth it sounds? Of course, do not use this in formal writing. Keep it for your friends and colleagues. It makes you sound much less like a student. People will understand you perfectly well. It is a very natural way of speaking. Don't be afraid of sounding too casual. Connection is the goal of every language. Speed is not the most important thing. Smoothness is what we are looking for. Practice this phrase during your coffee break. Future plans are easy with this trick. Constant repetition of yes can be repetitive. There are many ways to agree with someone. Imagine a colleague asks for your help. Instead of yes, try saying sure. It shows you are happy to assist. No problem is another classic response. Use definitely if you agree 100%. Absolutely is even stronger and very popular. If someone suggests a plan, say, sounds good. This phrase is a staple in English conversations. Do you want to grab lunch? Sounds good, let's go. It shows you are engaged in the talk. For simple confirmation, you can say exactly. This works well during a discussion. For sure is very common among young people. Using different words makes you sound smarter. It shows you have a wider vocabulary. Even at level A2, you can do this. Just replace one yes per day. Write these options on a sticky note. Keep it near your computer for reference. You will start hearing these everywhere. Movies, songs, and podcasts use them constantly. Sure thing is a friendly American variation. Right is often used in the UK. Variety is the spice of life and language. Your ears will get used to the sounds. Your tongue will learn the new movements. Confidence comes from practicing these small units. Everyone needs a second to think sometimes. Silence can feel awkward in a conversation. Native speakers use fillers to bridge the gap. Instead of, try using well, it signals that you're preparing an answer. Is another very frequent filler. Use it when you want to connect with the listener. Helps you clarify your point. Let me see is perfect for looking for info. Actually can help you correct a small mistake. These words make your speech flow better. They give you a more native rhythm. Do not overthink the grammar of fillers. They are just sounds to keep the flow. So, basically, I want to travel more. Notice how basically introduces the main idea. It makes the sentence feel more complete. Try not to use them in every sentence. Too many fillers can be a bit distracting. 1 or 2 per minute is just right. This helps you avoid long, uncomfortable pauses. It gives your brain a chance to catch up. Speaking a new language is hard work. Give yourself some grace and some time. These little words are your best friends. Listen to how I use them right here. I am not rushing my sentences at all. I am taking my time to explain. You can do the exact same thing. Feel the rhythm of the spoken word. Sometimes English can sound too direct. Give me the salt sounds like an order. To sound more natural, we soften our speech. Use can I get instead of I want. At a cafe, say, can I get a latte? Add please at the end for extra politeness. Could you is even better for requests. Could you help me with this bag? It sounds much more like a polite suggestion. Another great phrase is do you mind? Do you mind opening the window? Note that we use the ing form here. This makes you sound very sophisticated. People love to help someone who is polite. Avoid saying I need when asking a stranger. I'm looking for the station is better. It opens the door for a nice interaction. Soft language builds better relationships. Think about the person you are talking to. Use would you like to offer something. Would you like some water? It is much better than want water. Small grammar tweaks change the whole mood. You will notice people being nicer to you. Tone of voice is also very important here. Smile while you say these soft phrases. Your body language supports your spoken words. This is how you sound like a local. Friendly, polite, and very clear. Let us practice another set of phrases. We all have opinions about everything. I think is the first phrase we learn. To sound natural, try in my opinion. Or even better, I feel like this movie is too long. This phrase is used all the time today. It sounds less formal than I think. Another option is if you ask me. If you ask me, the weather is perfect. It adds a personal touch to your statement. Use I guess when you are not sure. I guess we can meet at 5. It shows a bit of hesitation, which is natural. To be honest is perfect for sharing truth. To be honest, I don't like spicy food. This phrase builds trust with your listener. Personally, helps you stand out from the group.
Personlig, jeg prefer te over kaffe.
These openers prepare the listener for your idea. They make your sentences longer and smoother. Don't worry about being too complex. These are just set phrases you can memorize. Use them as building blocks for your speech. Your conversations will become much more interesting. People will enjoy hearing your unique perspective. Mix and match them depending on the situation. Use I feel like with your close friends. Use in my opinion in a business meeting. Observe how others share their thoughts. You're doing a great job so far. Making mistakes is part of the learning process. Even native speakers stumble over their words. If you say something wrong, don't panic. Use the phrase, to correct yourself. I went to the store. The bank. It is a very quick and easy fix. If you forget a word, just be honest. I forgot the word for it, sorry. You can describe the object instead. The thing you use to open bottles. This keeps the conversation going. Don't stop and stay silent for a minute. Say, how do you call it? To ask for help. Most people are very happy to help you. If you didn't understand, ask for repetition. Could you say that again, please? Use sorry, I didn't catch that. This sounds much better than what. What can sometimes sound a bit rude. Pardon is a bit more formal and safe. Remember, communication is about sharing ideas. Perfect grammar is not the priority here. Being understood is the real victory. Relax your shoulders and take a breath. If you get stuck, just laugh it off. A little humor goes a long way. Say, my English brain is sleeping today. It breaks the ice and reduces pressure. Keep moving forward with your sentence. You are learning more with every mistake. Goodbye is okay, but a bit final. Most people use have a good one. This is a very common way to say bye. It works for any time of the day. Take care is a warm and kind closing. Use it with friends or people you like. Catch you later is great for casual meetings. It implies that you will see them again soon. See ya is the shortest and easiest version. If you are leaving a party, say, I'm off. I'm gonna head out is also very natural. Don't forget to thank the person for their time. It was nice talking to you. This leaves a very positive impression. Have a great weekend is perfect for Fridays. Use enjoy your day at the grocery store. These small phrases make you sound integrated. They show you understand the social culture. English is more than just a list of words. It is a tool for connecting with the world. You have learned so many new things today. Try to use at least one phrase tomorrow. Consistent practice is the key to success. Don't try to learn everything at once. Little steps lead to big results over time. I am very proud of your progress today. Keep listening and keep practicing your speech. You are becoming more natural every single day. Thank you for joining me in this podcast. See you in the next episode. Take care.
Leave a comment under this video and one of you will get 40 English lessons for free.